So, you've probably been hearing a lot about AI assistants, right? Well, today we're going to take a guided tour of one of the big ones, Claude. If you've ever wondered how AI can actually make you more productive and not just be some kind of tech novelty, then this explainer is definitely for you. You see this quote? Think fast, build faster. This is really the whole idea behind Claude. It's not just about getting quick answers to questions. It's about speeding up that entire journey, from the moment an idea pops into your head to having a finished product. Let's dig into how it actually pulls that off. Okay, here's our game plan. First, we'll break down what Claude is and what makes it different. Then, we'll look at what you can do with the totally free version before jumping into the more powerful Pro and Max plans. After that, we'll see how it fits into your workflow and, of course, how you can get started yourself. So, what is Claude really? The first thing you need to do is forget the idea of a simple chatbot. The key word here is partner. Claude is designed from the ground up to be an active collaborator, something that works right there with you to create, analyze, and build stuff. And that brings us to this core idea, co-work. The goal is simple. Let Claude handle the tedious, heavy lifting tasks, like sifting through a giant research paper or finding a bug in your code. That frees you up to focus on the big picture stuff, the strategy, the creativity, the parts where you really shine. Now, probably the best part about Claude is just how easy it is to get started. You can begin using a really powerful version of it right now for $0. So let's take a look at everything you can do without ever pulling out your wallet. And honestly, the free plan is no joke. You can chat with it on your phone or on the web. It can generate code, analyze images you upload, help you write and edit content. It can even hook into tools you already use, like Slack and Google Workspace. It's an incredibly powerful toolkit, right out of the box. But okay, what happens when you need even more? Maybe for your job or for a really big project? Well, that's where the Pro and Max plans come into the picture. They take that free foundation and just crank everything up a notch. So here's a quick breakdown. You've got the free plan, which is your perfect entry point. Then, for $20 a month, the Pro plan gives you way more usage, access to more powerful AI models, and really cool integrations with tools like Excel and Chrome. And then there's the Max plan, which is for the true power users and teams who need a ton of usage and want to get their hands on new features before anyone else. And this right here is the biggest reason to go for the Max plan. You get 5 to 20 times more usage than you get on Pro. So if you're an enterprise user or just someone who's constantly working with the AI, this is how you make sure you never hit a limit. Plus, you get that priority access and early look at new features. Now let's zoom out for a second. It's really important to understand that Claude isn't just an app you open in a window. It's designed to be a whole ecosystem that plugs right into the tools you already use every single day. That's when it stops feeling like a tool and starts feeling like a real assistant. First up, there's the Chrome extension. If you've got the Pro plan, this puts Claude right inside your browser. So you can be on any web page and ask it to summarize the article, help you draft an email, or research a topic, all without ever switching tabs. It's a game changer. Also on the Pro plan is Claude and Excel. Think about this. You could analyze your data, generate complex formulas, or even create charts just by typing what you want in plain English. For anyone who lives in spreadsheets, this can save a massive amount of time. And for those on the Max plan, you can even get Claude in PowerPoint. It can help you brainstorm your presentation, structure your story, and even write out key talking points for your slides. It just streamlines that whole, sometimes painful process. Now, behind the scenes, Claude is actually a family of different AI models. The easiest way to think about it is like having different tools for different jobs. Opus is the most powerful model. It's like your sledgehammer for really complex, heavy-duty analysis. Sonnet is your all-around workhorse for most everyday tasks. And Haiku is the super fast one for when you need a quick answer, like right now. So who's actually using all this? Well, the list is huge, and it's growing every day. Customer support teams use it to help answer questions, developers use it to write and fix code, financial analysts use it to crunch numbers, even teachers and nonprofits are finding incredible ways to use it. That versatility is a huge part of its appeal. All right, you've seen what it can do. Feeling ready to give it a spin? Getting set up is incredibly easy. Let me just walk you through the exact steps. It's really this simple. Just go to the website, pick your plan, and I definitely recommend just starting with the free one to test it out, and then you can sign up with your Google account in one click. Seriously, from there, you're ready to start chatting. The whole thing takes less than a minute.
So there you have it. Our tour of Claude is complete. We've seen how it's trying to be more than just another AI tool. It really is designed to be a partner, a genuine coworker. The real magic isn't just in the answers it can give you, but in the new questions and ideas it helps you discover. So, your AI coworker is waiting. The only question left is, what will you create together?